Hello, today I will show you how to repair Microsoft Store. If it's broken and you need to fix it, just follow these solutions. Solution number 1. Type in the search bar wsreset and click enter. Click on it. And wait until job is done. This will take maybe a couple minutes, and this is it. Close the Microsoft Store, restart your computer. If this solution doesn't work, try the solution number 1. In the search bar, type Powershell, and this is important. Right click and run as administrator. Yes. You will copy this code. I will put it in description. Copy, and you can paste it here if you click Control and V, or right click here and edit, paste, and click enter. For me went too quick, just then close, click close, start, restart your computer. And solution number 3, right click on start, settings, go to apps and features, and find Microsoft Store. Click on advanced options and reset. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.